Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. The question is, can you see your deleted posts on LinkedIn? You just deleted a LinkedIn post, message, or even an article, and now you're freaking out, thinking, can I get it back? So today I'm answering everything. Can you retrieve deleted posts on LinkedIn? Is there a way to restore deleted LinkedIn messages or conversations? What can you do if you delete an article by mistake? Let's break this down. Alright, first things first. Can you see your deleted posts on LinkedIn? The short answer, no. Once you delete a post or article, there's no restore deleted post or undo delete option like some other platforms. So if you're hoping for a quick fix or a recycle bin, unfortunately, there isn't one. But don't worry, there are a few things you might still be able to do when it comes to messages or recovering content in some form. Stick around, we're getting into all of that next. As mentioned earlier, once you delete a specific message on LinkedIn, it's permanently removed from both sides of the conversation and there's no way to recover it. This action is irreversible. However, if you delete an entire conversation, the messages are only removed from your view. In that case, the other person can still see the conversation and may be able to resend any important messages you need. To prevent accidental loss in the future, the smarter option is to archive conversations instead of deleting them. Here are the steps to archive the message. Go to the conversation you want to archive. Click the three dots in the top right corner. Select Archive from the menu. The message thread will disappear from your main inbox, but you can access it again anytime. Want to take it a step further? You can also download a copy of your LinkedIn data to keep your article, profile, or any other information safe. Here's how. Log into your LinkedIn account. Go to Settings and Privacy. Data Privacy. Get a copy of your data. Choose whether you want to download all your data or select specific types. Click Request Archive. Your data will be downloaded to your device. It's a good habit to export your LinkedIn data regularly to avoid losing anything important. Note: this download does not include content you have already deleted. That includes deleted posts or articles. It only contains information that currently exists on your account. Alright, quick recap before we wrap up. Can you see your deleted posts on LinkedIn? No. Once they're gone, they're gone. Can you recover deleted LinkedIn messages? Only if you deleted your whole conversation. In that case, the other person might still have it. But if you deleted a single message, then sorry, it's gone for good. Want to avoid this in the future? Just archive your message instead of deleting. Back up your data and maybe double check before you hit that delete button next time. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with anyone trying to recover deleted LinkedIn messages or posts. See you in the next video of Data Recovery Advisor.